Hey, don't we all like reading books? But sometimes we often lose track of where we are reading and end up reading the wrong page, getting a lot of spoilers, which ruins the entire fun of reading because nobody likes spoilers, right? In that case, we got you covered because in this video, we're gonna be making a bookmark which you can give to your book reader friends or to yourself. And if you like the video, do like and subscribe and leave a comment below. So let's get started.